People are making really good amount with these digital products, and you can too, but there is a caveat. You need to learn the process, because everyone wants this quick magic thing, but I'm telling you, as easy as it sounds, you need to be super smart to be capitalized in the market and sell your digital product. And there are new creators, they confuse their initial product, they spend weeks experimenting with design, technology and tactics before never launching. So in this video, we are going to talk about the different and the most trending digital products that you can sell online. Now before moving further, let's understand the market first. Suppose you dislike reading books and prefer to read them on your iPad or Kindle. You would buy ebooks, right? You do not receive a tangible book to read. You will receive a file that you may download, put in your program and then read. But it's all in digital format. So this is an example of a digital product. Another example that may be more relevant to us as an online seller of digital products. Suppose you sell resume templates. You would contrast your templates in Microsoft Word, including layouts and formatting, and then publish it online. You will allow someone else to buy it from you. They would download it, change the names, job titles and a description to reflect their own needs and then use it. But that means you are selling them a digital product, which is also a digital thing. Now just a few advantages of selling digital thing. The first issue is the lack of physical inventories. Unlike physical things, you must store all of your products, correct? Whether you have large or tiny stuff, you will have a place to keep them. There are not any digital products. You can accomplish everything on a computer, everything in store in the cloud or on an internet platform. You can sell them as much as you want. Another issue is worldwide reach. When you produce a product, you can practically sell it anywhere in the world, whereas critical thing cannot. You can do it, but it's much more difficult. The fourth feature is scalability. Once you have sold one to a customer, you can quickly scale it by repeating the process or running advertisements, which makes scaling the opportunity the much easier. And I remember the first sale I made, it was I think $7.99, but it was the happiness moment of my life, because I know that if I can make this one transaction passively, I can sell to 100 people, 1,000 people and continue to scale. Now before we go any further, ask yourselves, when someone loves your products online, do they know exactly where to buy it? You have got amazing designs, your social media is popping, but here's the thing, if people can't find you easily online, all the effort kind of waste. And that's where a .store domains comes in. .store is a powerful domain to sell anything online, one that actually helps you sell more, short, memorable and perfect for selling anything from t-shirt to custom mugs. Imagine telling someone, check out my stuff at yourbrand.store. It's simple, clean and professional, and finding a good domain used to be a nightmare. Most of the usual .com or .net names are already gone, but with .store you get something that fits your brand and tells people instantly, hey, this is where you can buy my product. A detailed study shows that website on a .store domain get 87% more traffic and rank 2x higher on Google. When your customers see your website on .store, they instantly know it's an online store, helping you sell more with a .store domain. And you are not alone. It's no wonder that Mr. Beast, Cristiano Ronaldo, Rihanna, Emirates Airline and over 1.5 million sellers trust .store domains. Thousands of businesses are already using .store to stand out online. It's trusted, easy to remember and screams e-commerce. Getting your own is super affordable. Right now you can grab your .store domain at get.store. And the best part, here's a special bonus. Use the coupon code GRACE to get your domain for just 99 cents and start selling online instantly. Plus when you purchase a .store domain, you unlock Elevate.store, a free curated toolkit for online sellers. It's packed with exclusive deals on software like Canva, Shopify, AutoDS and more. Anyone can access it, but .store sellers got better discounts, and the best part, it's all completely free. So if you are ready to turn clicks into real sales, stop relying on social media or marketplace, get your .store domain and give your customers a simple, trusted way to find you. Again, link in the description, and don't forget to use my code GRACE to get it at 99 cents only. Now let's back to the video and talk about flexibility, which is my favorite because you only need decent internet and a laptop to run any of your digital product shops. And it is the best part about it, you can just launch an online store from Bali beachfront and still hanging out there. So now where should you sell your digital products? We understand that selling digital things is fantastic, but how should we get started? Where should we sell it? There are so many different platforms out there. What is the best option for your specific needs? People are talking about a variety of platforms such as Gumroad or Shopify, but I found that selling on Etsy has the best success for beginners and experts both. And it may appear to be a heavily populated area. Why should we be on Etsy? What are the key advantages compared to other platforms? Let's change the topic and talk about digital products. For example, you can sell social media templates, financial templates if you like to utilize Excel, and resume templates. Other options include order and text forms and even wedding templates, right? There are so many different categories to explore. Or like now there are some other digital products to talk about. AI prompt list. The sixth item on our list are AI prompt lists. This is one of my current favorite low effort item because most folks don't know what to type into ChatGPT or Midjourney to get the results they see. Prompts are a shortcut. For example, 50 ChatGPT prompts for Etsy merchant, 200 Mid-Journey prompts for farmhouse decor, and an AI prompts for sending 7 emails in 1 hour. You can easily format it in Canva, add a cover, and it's ready to go. The next is email template. Emails are the scourge of most people's lives, which is why they will gladly pay you to write them so they don't have to. Examples include a welcome sequence for coaches, a holiday sales series for product merchants, and an abundant cart sequence for Shopify. These are valuable because you are literally helping them create money. The next is online courses. Today there are courses on everything, including niche themes. My preference concentrate on the how to make money online industry, which commands high prices. I have seen $500, $1,000, and even $10,000 courses flourish because they promise life-changing outcomes. Finally, the top digital product right now is online tutoring. However, this is not one-on-one coaching, but rather one-to-many coaching at scale. And this is the holy grail of digital products with a minimum entry hurdle. So that is for today. If you have any question related to this video, don't forget to comment down below. And again, link in the description of .store and use my code Chris to get it at 99 cents only. And if you want to learn more about AI tool like this, then definitely watch this video now. And before going, again, hit that subscribe button and that like button too.